Hello everyone, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lengthen your handlebars. These bars were cut off very short, and I noticed that because I looked at the old catalog and I could see that the shifter, the lever, and the grips were on the, in my case, were on the bent part of my riser bars. The original one were 27 inches, which is roughly 68 centimeters, and mine were 55 centimeters, so that was almost over 5 inches or 14 centimeters gone. And I bought steel rods, and this pipe is 22 millimeters, and the rods were 40 millimeter in diameter, which was the exact same diameter as the hole in the bar. So first I measured the length I wanted the handlebars to be finally, before I cut them with a hacksaw to the length I wanted them to be. And then I took a quick test to see if everything that should go on there would fit. First off, I thought for filler I would use wood, but that didn't work because it was just too small. So I decided to go for steel ring washers, which were too narrow for the rod, so I had to file the threads of the rod, and I had to file the washers themselves as well, so the end of the pipe would fit over them. It took a long time to file everything off, but doing so would make for a very sturdy solution. So this is the end result, and these are really tight on there. Then I just rammed them into the bar, and the steel rods, they wedge themselves into the part where the bend of the handlebar is. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and drop a like. If you have any questions or suggestions for new videos, leave a comment below. And I hope to see you on the next video.